Hi, welcome to FAQ Friday. In this episode I will tell you something about how MPS is represented worldwide. As you may know, MPS is headquartered in the Netherlands and we have offices in Malaysia, Germany, the UK and the USA. MPS presses are installed in over 40 countries around the world. We cannot sell and service these machines with our own team and therefore we're working with a network of agents. Whether you're based in Romania, Japan or Brazil, there's a representative available for technical and commercial questions. Our agents are carefully selected and the engineers are MPS certified, and most important, they speak your language. Your MPS agent will be your first point of contact. He has knowledge of the local market and industry and is trying to get the best results for you. On our website you can find a full list of all our agents. Thank you for watching this episode of FAQ Friday. Enjoy your weekend.